Hello, welcome back to the Learn English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post.
Today, we're going to learn about... Hey, hello viewers, and thank you for subscribing. First, we want to thank you for hitting the 500 subscribers. We're very thankful for that. And today's video is about the rooms in your house. How we call the rooms in your house. So before we start, two things. Number one, we send our message of condolence to the people who died in the Ethiopian flight headed to Kenya. Poleni sana, Mos Ahinya. And secondly, to the people in New Zealand who had the unfortunate event that happened today. We are very sorry for what happened. So today we talk about the rooms in your house and how to call them. So we'll start first. The Luos have this habit of, they had rooms in the house and some rooms were outside of the house. The reason they were outside of the house is, for example, the kitchen was outside of the house because they were using firewood which was giving smoke, so they could not be able to sleep well and the effects of smoke. So they had a separate room for that. But in the modern day, all rooms are in one house. That's the reason. So let's start.
Corbudo.
Cor.
Corbudo.
Corbudo. Corbudo. Corbudo is your living room. Your living room is called corbudo. Let's say again.
Corbudo.
Correct. Not budo. Corbudo.
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 Good. So, we want to form a sentence with that.
Welo pod chiemo corbudo.
Welo pod chiemo corbudo. Welo pod chiemo corbudo. That means the visitors are still eating in the living room. Visitors eating living room. Welo chiemo corbudo.
Cornindo.
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 Cornindo is your bedroom. Your bedroom is cornindo.
Mama bano leoni cornindo.
What do you think this means?
Yeah, mother is folding the clothes in the bedroom.
Correct. Mama bano leuni cornindo. Mama bano leuni cornindo. Mom folding clothes, bedroom. Mom folding clothes, bedroom. Easy peasy. Right? I'm just giving you that so that it's easier to remember. That's why we're doing that. Number 3.
Odd luok.
Odd luok.
Odd luok.
Odd luok.
Odd luok.
Odd luok.
Asetero p a odd luok.
What does this mean?
I have already taken the water to the laundry room.
Bathroom.
Oh.
So, where you shower, we call it bathroom. Oh, sorry, our lights just went off. It's okay. Wait. Technical problem. There we go. Sorry. Asetero p a odd luok. Where you take your shower is called your bathroom. And this says, taken water to the bathroom. I have taken water to the bathroom.
Ot Martin.
Ot Martin. What does this mean?
A small house.
Small house. Now, I don't know why our Luo people did not call the toilet, better names. But this is the most common name. It's called automatin. But I have another automatin in a separate slide. But automatin might mean the toilet.
Aduadi e automatin.
Aduadi e automatin. I would like to go to the restroom. I would like to go to the restroom. Now, automatin has what we call context. So this one here,
Automatin.
Automatin might mean the young wife's house. So if you have two wives, like the Luos had two wives, sorry about that. If you have two wives, then automatin might mean the young wife's house. So it depends on the context you're talking about.
Aduadi ok e automatin.
Aduadi oko e automatin. I would like to go out to the young wife's house. Okay?
Simba, lion.
Simba.
Simba. Oh.
Simba.
Simba.
What is Simba?
It can either mean fawn or lion.
Now, Simba means if you have a brother, like your brother, his house will be called Simba. Your brother's house is called Simba. For you, I think your brother has a room, so your brother's room would be your Simba. But now, that's not relevant today. So,
Adwa bodo. Adwa. Odwa.
read.
Owadwa bodo e Simba.
Owadwa budo e Simba. My brother is relaxing in his house, in his small house. Okay.
Yeah, is that supposed to say jikon? Jokon.
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 Say Jokon.
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 Nyaminwa tedo e jokon.
Nyaminwa tedo e jokon. Nyaminwa tedo e jokon. Jokon has been corrupted from Swahili, which is jikon. So they just changed it to jokon.
Cool.
Cool. Say cool.
Cool.
Cool. Say cool.
Cool.
Dhiang. Oh, sorry.
Dhiang nindo e cool.
Dhiang nindo e cool. Dhiang nindo e cool. Cool. Oh, sorry. Cool is where you keep your cattle. The cattle pen. It's called cool. Okay. Dhiang nindo e cool. So the cows are sleeping in their cattle pen. All right.
Yeah.
Good. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for the comments. Nikki, finish it up.
If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. Make sure, if you want to support us, you can go on www.patreon.com/Luo English Dictionary. So for now, Oriti, goodbye.